Replacing a toilet at home comes down to matching the right product to the right bathroom. This list covers 10 options across the full range, from budget one-pieces for powder rooms to smart systems for master baths, each selected for a specific installation context or performance advantage. We start with the toilet most homeowners end up buying when they do thorough research. Opening the list is the TOTO Drake, specifically the cotton white version, which is currently the most reviewed two-piece toilet available on the market. Over 900 verified buyers represent real-world installation feedback across a wide range of home bathrooms. The Drake uses TOTO's Tornado Flush system, a hole-free rim with dual-angled nozzles that create a centrifugal wash pattern across the bowl surface, rather than a straight downward pour. The Safe-Ion Tech glaze applied to the ceramic prevents waste from adhering between cleanings. 1.6 gallons per flush, universal height, ADA compliant. For a buyer who wants a well-documented, widely installed toilet with proven flush technology in a standard two-piece format, the Drake is the place the research consistently lands. The Gerber Maxwell Seacrest is the only toilet on this list sold as a complete installation kit. The package includes the two-piece toilet, soft close seat, wax ring, and mounting hardware. Everything a homeowner needs to get from the box to a finished installation without sourcing components separately. 1.28 gallons per flush, WaterSense certified, ADA chair height, elongated bowl. The Gerber Maxwell Seacrest is engineered as a ready-set system. All included components are specified together, so fit and compatibility are assured without guesswork. For a homeowner managing a DIY replacement who wants to order once and install without a second trip to the hardware store, the Gerber Maxwell Seacrest is the practical choice on this list. The DeerValley Compact is the right choice for the bathroom, where footprint is the binding constraint. It is a one-piece toilet with the smallest profile of any product on this list, designed specifically for tight clearance spaces, powder rooms, and secondary bathrooms where a full-size elongated model would project too far into the room. Soft close seat included. Gold flush button is standard on this model, not an upgrade. 12-inch rough-in. For a homeowner with a powder room, a small guest bathroom, or any installation where available floor space limits what can fit, the DeerValley Compact addresses that specific problem. The verified buyer feedback reflects consistent real-world satisfaction from homeowners who prioritized fit in a tight space and got reliable performance alongside it. The Casta Diva is a budget one-piece elongated toilet with ADA chair height at 17 inches, a combination that is genuinely difficult to find under $250 in the residential market. Dual flush at 1.1 and 1.6 gallons per flush. The one-piece construction eliminates the tank-to-bowl joint, simplifying the cleaning routine and reducing the mechanical points where leaks develop over time. With over 300 verified purchases, the Casta Diva has the largest buyer review base of any product in the under $250 tier on this list. For a homeowner running a straightforward toilet replacement in a guest bathroom or secondary space, where ADA accessibility matters and budget is the governing criterion, the Casta Diva delivers what the spec sheet promises at a price that holds up under scrutiny. The Kohler Kingston is a Class 5 flush toilet in a residential two-piece format. Class 5 is Kohler's commercial-derived flushing system designation, a large-diameter canister valve that opens fully on actuation, allowing the tank to empty faster and deliver a more complete flush wave per cycle than conventional flapper valve designs. 1.28 gallons per flush, WaterSense certified, ADA chair height. The Kingston was designed originally for commercial and hospitality installations, which means its flush system is specified for higher daily cycle volumes than most residential products. For a homeowner who wants Kohler's commercial-grade flush performance in a standard two-piece elongated format and is willing to trade an extensive Amazon review history for a product with proven institutional durability, the Kingston is the relevant option. The HOROW is the only toilet on this list available in a non-white finish. The bisque colorway, a warm off-white, suits bathrooms with vintage or classic fixture sets where standard white creates a visible mismatch against existing hardware and tile. The performance specs carry over from the HOROW one-piece range. ADA chair height at 17.3 inches, dual flush at 1.1 and 1.6 gallons per flush, elongated bowl, 12-inch rough-in. For a homeowner replacing a toilet in a bathroom with existing bisque or almond fixtures, where matching the color matters as much as the flush, the HOROW is the option on this list that addresses the finish constraint directly rather than defaulting to white. The Woodbridge is a skirted one-piece with a soft close seat included in the box, positioned at the mid-range price tier where the skirted format becomes attainable without stepping into premium territory. The skirted trapway covers the plumbing contours from bowl base to floor in a single smooth surface, eliminating the external curves where residue builds in conventional two-piece designs. Dual flush at 1.28 gallons per flush, chair height. A strong review base across verified buyers reflects consistent satisfaction with both flush performance and the cleaning advantage of the concealed base profile. For a homeowner who wants a clean line one-piece with an included seat and a documented track record in residential installations, the Woodbridge is the mid-range choice. The American Standard H2 option is the most water-efficient toilet on this list. Its dual flush design operates at 0.92 gallons on the partial cycle and 1.28 gallons on the full cycle. The 0.92 gallons per flush half flush is below the WaterSense threshold, making it one of the lowest water use half flush values available in a residential two-piece format. ADA chair height. The installation package includes a soft close seat and wax ring. For a homeowner with a household that flushes frequently, large family, home office, guest traffic, the reduction in water volume per cycle accumulates significantly over a year of use. For that buyer, the H2 option is the right product on this list. The HOROW Smart Toilet is the tankless integrated system on this list, a one-piece design that eliminates the tank entirely and replaces it with a direct water connection, a heated bidet seat with warm water wash, adjustable pressure, warm air dryer, and a foam dispenser that coats the bowl before each use. The lid opens and closes automatically. ADA height compliant. With nearly 800 verified buyers, the HOROW has the strongest purchase validation of any product in the upper price tier here. For a homeowner upgrading a master bathroom or primary bath to a fully integrated smart system without entering the luxury tier price range, the HOROW is where those features become available with a meaningful real-world track record behind them. Closing the list is the American Standard Studio S, a skirted two-piece toilet designed specifically for homeowners who want premium cleaning performance baked into the product rather than achieved through effort. The Studio S carries two American Standard proprietary surface treatments: Power Wash, a rim design that directs water across the entire bowl wall with each flush, and EverClean, an antimicrobial coating applied to the ceramic that inhibits the growth of mold, mildew, and odor-causing bacteria at the surface level. Skirted concealed trapway, ADA comfort height, soft close seat. For a homeowner whose primary concern is long-term bowl hygiene with a modern aesthetic, and who is willing to invest in a product that addresses that concern at the material level rather than through cleaning schedule alone, the Studio S closes this list at the right position. Those are 10 toilets for home use in 2026. From the Gerber Maxwell Seacrest's complete install kit to the American Standard Studio S's antimicrobial surface treatment. The right pick for your home depends on the bathroom, footprint, finish, water use, or integrated features. Links to all 10 are in the description. If this guide helped you narrow it down, give the video a like and subscribe for more home improvement guides.